and welcome back to Ignite Core HTML tutorial series. In the last video, we talked about HTML, what it is, how it works and why it's important. Now, it's time to set up our coding environment and get everything ready to start writing real HTML code. In this video, you'll learn what a code editor is, why we use Visual Studio Code, how to install it, and how to make sure everything is ready for action. Let's jump right in. A code editor is a tool where we write and manage code. Think of it as your personal digital notebook, but with superpowers. It highlights your code, catches small errors, and even suggests improvements while you type. Instead of using plain Notepad or Word, developers use code editors like VS Code to build websites and applications faster, cleaner, and smarter. So let me tell you how to install Visual Studio Code. First, search Visual Studio Code download. Click on the first link. And then if you're using Mac, you can click on the link that says Mac, and if you're using Windows, you can click on the link that says Windows. I'm using Windows, so I'll just click on Windows. And now it's downloading. It might take some time. After it's download, click on the link. You can read the license agreement and then check I accept the agreement, then next and install. After it's installed, click finish and then it will open up your Visual Studio Code. This is your Visual Studio Code. In the left sidebar, you can see Explorer, where you can find your folders or files. In the bottom, you can see extensions, where you can add any new extension. Before we wrap up, let me show you how to install one useful extension called Live Server. This tool lets you open your HTML files in the browser and see your changes instantly. To install it, click on the extensions icon on the sidebar. In the search box, type Live Server. Click install. We will use Live Server in our next tutorials to preview your code in real time. So now let me just go back to the Explorer. Click open folder. Then go to desktop, right click on it and then folder. You can name your folder anything like HTML tutorial. And now this is your HTML tutorial folder. So now let me add a new file in my folder. This icon will help you add a new file. Name your file anything like index.html, and this is your first HTML file. When you create a file for coding, the ending part of the file name called the file extension tells the computer what type of code is inside. For example, if you're making a web page using HTML, you name your file something like index.html. The .html at the end tells the browser, hey, this is an HTML document. Similarly, if you're writing JavaScript code, you save it as something like script.js, where .js means this file contains JavaScript. These extensions are super important because they help the code editor and the browser understand how to read and run your file correctly. It's like putting the right label on a jar so you know what's inside before you open it. And that's it. Your development environment is now ready. In the next episode, we will write your very first HTML code and build a real web page step by step. Make sure to subscribe, turn on the notifications, and get ready to level up your coding skills with Ignite Core team. This is Samia Noor and I will see you in the next video. Let's ignite your future in web development.